Sometimes we just want to know that if a lock on a ReentrantLock class has been held by the current thread or not. For that we use isHeldByCurrentThread method of ReentrantLock class. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 20 of Java and Web, Multithreading in Java. The method isHeldByCurrentThread is a public method which returns boolean. It returns true if lock is held by the current thread, and it returns false if the lock is not held by the current thread. Here we have the Java file check.java. In check.java we have the class check. In the class check we have the method main. In the method main we are creating a new object of type ReentrantLock. Then after we are calling the lock method by using the reference variable L. By doing this, the current thread got a lock on the ReentrantLock object. After that we are calling isHeldByCurrentThread method by using the reference variable L, and it returns true because the lock is held by the current thread. Then after we are calling the unlock method by using the reference variable L. Therefore here the current thread unlock the lock which was initially held by it. After that again we are calling isHeldByCurrentThread method by using the reference variable L, and it prints false because now after calling the unlock method no lock is held by the current thread. So I hope you got all my points. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook, and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.